Hi, today I'm going to open the newest package I received from HSN. It is a Crafter's Companion Trick or Treat stamp and die set. This is one of the auto shipment for I think Crafter's Companion 3D picnic box. So let's see it together. Actually, I tried to record the video and I forgot to turn on my mic, so I already opened the package, but let's look at it together. Okay, this is a nice stamp set, and we have a matching ties for almost all of them. I like that. And as you can see in the picture, it's for a picnic box. We ordered to decorate that, but I don't think we're going to do that today. I think I want to make a card with it. So let me prepare some cardstock, and we're going to make something with this stamp and die set together. See you in a few seconds. Okay, I prepared a 5x7 card base. I cut black cardstock. Actually, this is a 110-pound recollection cardstock. I like these cardstock. They're so thick and nice. So for a card base, I cut the cardstock to 7x10 and score it in half, and now we have a 5x7 card base. Then I cut an orange cardstock. This is a regular 80-pound cardstock. I cut it in like 4 7/8 by 6 7/8 inch, so we can have a very thin border line on that. And I didn't mind to have a little bit of this. Yeah, I didn't change my trimmer blade because this is an Halloween card, so a little bit of distressing doesn't hurt. So and I cut another piece of black cardstock to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So again, for matting and layering. So that's for our card base for now. So let's stamp a few of these stamps together, and then we will color them and we go with that. Probably won't do all the stamping on camera. And I haven't prepared these stamps yet, so let's see. I did a little bit of sanding to remove the actually let me show you. I just took a sandpaper and sand top of the stamps to remove the residue, manufacturer residue. You probably need to do that for your new acrylic stamps not every time. The first time you want to use it, you can do that, or I've seen people use Versamark to stamp with their stamps first, and that help the stamp absorb the ink better for a few first times you use them, and after that you're good to go. So, or you can stamp a few times with the stamps and that removes the residue as well, whatever you prefer. Okay, I did a few more stampings and did a little bit of coloring. I decided to stamp the tree on top of a craft cardstock and the pumpkins on top of an orange cardstock to make the life a little bit easier. So now we need to cut these out. Really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe and comment below what do you want to see from me next, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.